What up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the like button. The reason why I say this is because all my videos will be like 4 minutes long or under that. So like anything you want to see, you will want to come to my channel, definitely, because I'm not making long videos, no 8-minute videos, none of that. All right, let's get straight to it.
What's going on? 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 What's going on?
All right, so look, y'all. I'm here with a Wish app haul. I'm gonna show you the first thing that's already been opened right here. My girl's shoes. Unfortunately, yeah, she behind the camera too. Mad. But yeah, they didn't fit. These shoes sweet in the mud, man. Unfortunately, she can't fit them. So let's get to what I got, I guess. I'm already assuming if this is exactly what I thought. What I got is some replica $100 bills. Yeah. Some fat Hanas. I just feel like this gonna be handy one day, like to use in something. I don't know yet. I mean, I don't know what yet, but yeah. Some fake honeys. I got me some little replica Yeezy foam runners. Ooh! I couldn't wait for these boys. I hope I can fit mine, shoot. Everything running small. So off the rip, I know it's supposed to say like have a Adidas logo right there. I noticed they ain't got that at the bottom in the middle part. They ain't got the Adidas logo. Then in the inside, they don't got no logo either. But these boys, nice. Now these weird. Oh yeah, I could fit them. Alright, yo, this is just a little on feet review. Let me zoom this in. Let them see how it is on the foot. I got my right size. I guess they run small or something. So yeah, if y'all think about ordering some, you know what I'm saying, go a size up. Because my toenails at the tip, but I do need to cut them though. Alright y'all, so this is the reason why I got them though. This all me and my girl wears, Crocs. I don't know if y'all a fan of Crocs, but I am, so that's the main reason why I got these foam runners right here. Alright, so the next thing that I got in my Wish app haul. Oh shoot, my hundreds. Hold on, shoot. Hold up. Okay, so I'm assuming that's another pair of my foam runners. I wonder why they ain't saying all of them. So yeah, the other ones was beige. These the white ones, yo. That's crazy. I got all of them. Shoot. So yeah, nothing special. The other ones was beige, and these ones are white. Same thing at the bottom. Say 46, 47. I don't see. That's why I understand why they ain't really fitting. Like it's a little bit too short, but I mean it's good enough for sure. Okay, these got a little more room than the other one. I might go to the mall in these. Hey, I gotta go pick up them new Jordan 5 Bel Air. So I think I'm gonna be wearing those to the mall. If not, stay right there, stay right there. I just got these, y'all, and I got another video for these. I got the off-white 5s, you feel me? But yeah, I got one more package, you know what I'm saying? It ain't got nothing to do with Wish app, and it's for another video. So if y'all watch this all the way through, get ready for the next video that's about to drop, and that's on these. Hold on, let me block my information. They probably ain't gonna be able to see it like that. Let me just open it. This is my package from True Smile. I gotta do my molding, y'all, so I'm about to get ready to get my veneers, you feel me? Did it get out there? Yeah. Got my little package, man, so I'm about to get ready for this video. I'll be back.